All right, looks like everyone has joined. Let's start the lesson. So, what is refraction? A refraction is a Latin word. Re is back, and fraction means to bend. So, it's bending, kind of. Some people says they like, for example, this straw is in the water. Some people says it's shifted. Some people says bending. Some people said it's enlarged. So everybody used different observation and there is nothing wrong. So it's not look normal as it's looked outside. So what happens when we put something in different medium? So these are the light waves, right? As the light wave moves from one medium to another, its speed changes. So why it changes? For example, take it as a solid. This is slow medium. This is take it as a water. This is fast medium like air. So when light ray, let me explain a little bit more about this picture. This is normal. Normal is nothing, is an imaginary line perpendicular to the surface of medium where light ray hits. So light ray is hitting here, so we will make a perpendicular line. It's an imaginary line just to understand how far it is bending or how close it is bending to the normal. So when wave is hitting the surface of the slow medium, it bends, it slows down. The bottom part of the ray slows down and it bends towards the normal, right? When it bends towards the normal, it slows down. Okay, what will happen when wave is going from slow medium to fast? Let's see. What do you think? It should bend, the speed should go faster or slower? Faster. Let's see what will happen. Oh, there is a question. Okay, question is, as light wave moves from faster medium to slower medium, its speed slows down. That's right. Next. So, okay. Perfect. Let's go ahead. Okay. Now what happens if the wave enters the new medium at an angle? The wave will change direction. So one thing very important. If wave light is coming directly straight, which you observed when I showed you the laser demo, when a wave is going straight, it will slow down, but it won't bend. But what is happening if a light wave is entering in a different medium by an angle? What happens? It changes the direction. Now it's coming out again in the faster medium, then its direction is changing again. So that's how it happens. Whenever medium will change, it will change its direction. It will bend. So like there is a car example. This is a smooth pavement and this is muddy surface. So what happens if car is coming on a very fast speed and it enters into the muddy surface area? So first wheel will enter first, right? When they will enter from the smooth to muddy surface, what will happen? It will slow down. The wheel will slow down. But what happened to the back wheels? They will stay faster. And when they will stay faster and it will slow down, and the front wheel are slowing down, then it will bend. It will bend towards the normal. Normal again is a perpendicular line, and this line starts when the wave or the car is hitting the medium. Okay, so now to clarify further, if this car is going straight, it will slow down, but it won't bend. But if this car is going faster, got it, and going at certain angle, then it will slow down for sure and it will change the direction. So to change the direction, and you need to have a car to enter at certain angle. Same goes with the wave. Wave should go at certain angle. So two things we learned. Speed changes for sure from car from here to here. Speed is changing. And the second thing, what is happening? When it's hitting the angle, it's coming through an angle, it will change the direction. So let's learn further. Okay, let's check. What did you learn? So when a wave enters a new medium at an angle, the wave continues the same direction or change the direction? Remember, at an angle, so it should change the direction. Let's see how many have made the correction. All right, oops. Perfect. Let's go on the next question. Next slide. So what is refraction? What did you understand? So refraction is the bending of a ray. Bending of a ray when it passes at an angle. So it bends only when it passes at an angle from one medium to another when the speed is different. So you remember there are 2-3 things. So refraction is bending of ray. What happens when it happens? It happens when a ray is passing at an angle, and it should be from one medium to another. So what happens? The speed changes. So 3 things: angle, medium, and the speed changes makes the bending of the ray. Let's watch this video again and figure it out. Do we understand? It's the same thing like laser light going in the water. This is opaque, not opaque, it's a translucent water. So it's an angle from the faster medium to the slower medium. So it's an angle is bended. Now it's a straight. See, the speed is slowed down, but it's not changing the direction. Now it's changing the direction, it's bending. Okay, it's bending away and sometimes bending toward. It's a bending away from the medium. Okay, let's see. Let's check our understanding now. Okay, choose all the example of the refraction. So what do you say? The water, the straw in the water is an example of refraction. Yes. How about the block? This is also. How about the duck in the water? Yes. Let's see, submit it. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. A refraction effect. Let's notice. This is the cat sitting on a pier and it sees the fish. You want to catch the fish, eat it up. But fish is here. But because of the refraction, what is happening? Fish is on top. It looks like it's very close to the cat. But it's opposite. Look, it's from the faster medium to slower medium. It's looking like enlarged, bigger, close to the surface. But when it's fish is looking from the slower medium to faster medium, it looks like it's far away, right? It's close here, but it looks like the way fish is thinking it's far away. So it's away from the actual position. So for example, if you have to catch a fish and you are standing on top of a rock near the lake, so what you will be doing? So where should the hunter throw the spear in order to catch the fish? Here, here, or here? Let's see. That's right. It should be away from because it looks like it should be very close. So there are certain more example of the okay, keep going. More example of the refraction. What is that? It's a prism, right? This light is going, it's refracting and changing the colors. Now another one. Can you give more example of the refraction? Okay, twinkling light. That's right. The stars, right? Good job. How about the diamond? Yes, it's refracting lights. How about the rainbow? This is also refracting light. All right. Now you will be working. If you have any question, feel free to ask. But what did you learn? What is refraction? Refraction is bending of the light ray when it enters at an angle from from a faster medium to slower, or slower medium to faster medium, right? It should be at the angle, should change the medium, slower to faster, faster to slower, then light ray will bend, and this is called refraction. So now you will be making your final model, and I will ask you some question towards the end. All right, you made your model. Now towards the end, what we are going to do, I'm going to ask some question. So what is refraction? There are three options: bending of light, reflection of light, absorption of light. Bending of light, good job. Now, refraction occurs when the speed of the light changes, the amplitude of the light changes. The speed of the light changes, good job. Can you give 2 examples of the refraction? The diamond ray, perfect. Twinkling stars, that's right. Rainbow, that's right. Very good. Alright, so tomorrow we are going to learn about the reflection. Okay, there is another thing, but today and homework, yes, I put all the vocabulary which we used today in this lesson, and we are going to use in tomorrow's lesson. So please click on it, use these flashcards, and I will be able to see your progress. Okay, join me there if you haven't yet. All right, tomorrow is the reflection day, and if you have any question, feel free to ask. See you tomorrow. Take care.